Sometimes you need to take a server offline for extended maintenance. Or maybe a server goes down unexpectedly. Outages can stop your business in its tracks, which can cost you customers and revenue. So, anytime there's an outage, you need to get a correctly configured replacement server up quickly. Luckily, with new 14th generation Dell EMC PowerEdge servers, you can leverage the latest software to get your workloads running again. Dell EMC OpenManage Essentials, or OME, Profile Mobility saves all your server's configuration settings, making sure everything is up to date and accessible. This lets you easily deploy a stateless server booting from SAN with the exact settings you need in just a few clicks, from the data center or from anywhere else. Compared to manual methods, Profile Mobility can save administrator hands-on time. In small deployments, this can mean one less headache for administrators to deal with. For larger ones, the potential savings becomes even more impressive, potentially adding up to hours and days of work saved. And when your applications stay up, it's business as usual, so you can keep serving customers without delay. Give your admin more time for strategic data center initiatives. Minimize downtime and simplify server recovery and migration by leveraging Dell EMC OME.